morning. Today is 29th May. We are getting ready to go to Banana House. Yes. So today I have my show, Mr. India, performing at Banana House. So today there will be very interesting artists, poets and writers, and it's more like a gathering of like-minded people where we'll just hang out and express ourselves. It's not really a musical concert, but there are some performers. We are starting out now, like in 5 minutes. Okay. The AC is on, something which we don't need in Haflong, so there's a lot of noise going on. I'm sorry for the noise, but I cannot turn it off. It's very hot. Let me show you some artwork done by Neha. The one and only Snoop Dogg with a small dog. He looks like a spaceman, but I think he has a driller. He looks like Abraham Lincoln. Are you wearing sports shoes, Neha?
Yes. Am I allowed? Am I
Yes.
being videotaped again?
Yes. I'm sorry, I'll edit it out.
Okay.
And how expensive are these?
Not so expensive.
Like, give me a number.
5,500. Oh, please.
I can buy 10 shoes.
I saved.
And more DIY things done by Neha to her own skirt. Did you add the flowers?
Yeah. Yes. Flowers and the letter N. That's all.
Y and O, you are Neha. I forgot.
आते आते हम लोग का 10 बजेगा.
For Tyler, Leo, and Hilton. Can you tell me what is in there, Neha?
2 cups rice. 1.5 cups oats.
Okay.
That's it.
No.
Okay.
Pulses.
Oh yeah, dal. Sorry, dal.
lentils.
Okay.
Dal, oats and rice. That's all. And little bit of salt.
Sleep.
इधर है क्या?
और आगे
इधर
और आगे
इधर?
आगे आगे आगे
हाँ,
आगे
आगे?
आगे 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 दैट वन.
हाँ.
चलो फाइनली
Finally. Sorry, थोड़ा लेट हो गया.
You speak like your videos, man.
Of course, I am in the videos ना.
लेकिन पार्क थोड़ा उस तरफ आ जाए. Like the way the
रोनी, चलो. प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हुआ लेकिन.
check.
Okay, yeah.
When
I
you
won't
set,
need.
you can always do
Yeah,
it.
I won't need much time.
हाँ ठीक है.
Who is starting? So how the
There's another
proceedings?
guy who's studying.
Then because Kapil is not playing,
No.
right?
So
Okay.
after that guy, you.
Okay.
You're the second.
I'm the second. Okay. ठीक है.
The idea is to move beyond this circle where are drinking, smoking, and witty kind. So the idea is to gradually extend the scope of these things. But today we are here to just have fun. We have some brilliant musicians.
फिर एक लंबी सांस की ठंडक महसूस करती और मुंह में एक तपता नील का
Excuse me.
Daniel is actually a politician.
Politician?
I'm not the president of Bukhaw Party.
In my vocals, can you reduce the bass? Vocals has a lot of bass. Good evening, everyone. It's lovely to be in Delhi. My name is Daniel Langthasa. When I'm on stage, I like to call myself Mr. India. I don't know why. Okay, so it all started in January 10th to be precise. So I stay in a beautiful hill station of Assam, and it's a lovely place. You guys should visit it for sure. It's lovely, just Google it. And So let me take a little bit of time in explaining about our place. So I live in Haflong and we are part of a district. The name of the district is Dima Hasao district, and we have a special council provided by us to the Constitution of India. It's called Autonomous Council. So we are like a mini state. We have a lot of powers. We elect our own. They are called executive members. So they are like ministers. So we get direct funds, not from the state, from the center. We also get state funds for sure. But the problem is it's a beautiful place with a lot of tribes, different tribes. I'm from the Dimasa tribe. My mother is Mizo, my dad is Dimasa, and in our district we have 13 tribes and 6 non-tribes. So it's like a mini India. But a lot of politics is going on, and the national parties have come in. So at the drop of a hat, people are changing parties, and the council is not stable. That is becoming a huge problem. The employees, they have been on strike for so long. They haven't been paid their salaries for the last 7 months. It was 9 months, but just before elections they paid 3 months salary. So now it's 7 months. So one fine day I decided to write a song and post it on Facebook, and people liked it and shared it a lot. I got a lot of feedback, and then I decided to post a song every day. And since then I have been doing it till today. So this is the song which I wrote. I'd like to speak in Haflong Hindi. Haflong Hindi is a mixture of Bengali, Nepali, everything. Subah utha, council toota. Subah utha, government toota. Congress se BJP, BJP se Congress, Congress se BJP, BJP se Congress, Congress se BJP, BJP se Congress, Congress se BJP. Sab gukha, gukha, sab gukha, पैसा खाली खाता, तो नहीं देता। पैसा खाली खाता, तो नहीं देता। मांसो दाम बढ़ गया, जिंदगी है सस्ता। हाँ, मांसो दाम बढ़ गया, जिंदगी है सस्ता। खाली काटा काटी करता, अपना चाप को गाली देता। चूल्हे पीता, the chula is our local podcast. चूल्हे पीता और चूल्हा बनाता। अभी खाओ, सब खाओ, ठीक से खाओ, खाओ, सब खाओ। कल हम 500 रुपया घूस दिया, पासपोर्ट को लिए, फिर हम SP ऑफिस किया, फिर दिया 500 रुपया, लेकिन हमरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ। आज जाने लगता DC ऑफिस में, लेकिन हमरा पैसा खत्म हो गया। कहाँ से देगा 500 रुपया?
1 week had passed since I wrote the first song. A lot of feedback, but my relatives, my aunts and uncles, they were quite worried. They were like, "Kya ho gaya isko?" Because the thing is, in our council, we had a big militancy problem like few years ago. I mean, it's still there, but everyone has surrendered and that they have come overground now. Overground means like you can carry the pistol in your pocket instead of keeping it back at home. So yeah, we had like 5 active militant groups in our district. They have surrendered now and they have become politicians. They will get elected, of course. So it used to be very scary back then. But because they are politicians now, so my relatives are quite worried, like, be careful.
Last Sunday हम सबको भूखा बोला 4,000 views और likes हम बोलेगा क्या बोलेगा हम likes का क्या ग्रुप साथ में खाएगा पूजा को लिए हम चंदा दिया 1,000 रुपया खाली किया खाली दारू पीने को बहाना सब लाता और आज हम शादी में जाएगा क्या कपड़ा पीने का क्योंकि ग्रुप भी खींचेगा सब भी आंटी बोला तुम की सबको भूखा बोला अंदर पार्टी को क्या दौड़ने लगता हम बोला अगर आप दौड़ता तो आप भी जाके भूखा फिर बोला तुम क्यों पापन जैसा अच्छा गाना क्यों नहीं गाता
If you know Papan Mahanta, like basically Bollywood star now, so he's become like the benchmark for singer or musicians like that. So really should like be like Papan.
फिर वो बोला तुम क्यों पापन जैसा अच्छा गाना क्यों नहीं गाता टीवी में तुम नहीं निकलता इंडियन आइडल क्यों नहीं जाता हम बोला बनाओ सब क्लास में हम चुपे में
These are important.
हम बोला बनाओ बोल के सबको हम नाचते चुटिया नहीं बनाता दिल से गाता बॉलीवुड डायरेक्टर को नहीं चाहता और ज्यादा पैसा लाइफ में नहीं लगता इसलिए कॉपी नहीं करता कॉपी करने से भी हम सीना थाम के गाता दारू पीता घर में छुपाता बाबा पीता माँ बाप से छुपाता यूट्यूब देखता हिलाता सब अच्छा लगता लेकिन छुपाता ये सब बात हम नहीं समझता हाय सब बात हम नहीं समझता नौकरी करता रात में रोता शादी करता लेकिन धोखा दोस्त बोलता चुगला राखी बंधवाता फिर भेंचोद बनता सब बात नहीं समझता सब बात नहीं समझता सब बात नहीं समझता Thank you.
if it is not too imposing for the next song, I require all of you to stand up. Because I wrote this song on 26 January. Attention, please. No, you can sit also. ऐसे ही बोला वो तो मैंने. No, those who want to stand, they can stand. Jana gana mana gana aaj subah se suna. Happy Republic Day to all of you. आज इंडिया से फ्रांस को अपना मिलिट्री दिखाया, रशियन टैंक्स में अपना नाम चिपकाया. ब्रेवरी अवार्ड्स विनर पोच्चागारी में आया, इंपोर्टेड लिमोजिन में मोदी चल गया. देश के लिए मारो तो हीरो, देश के लिए मारो तो जीरो. प्रणब मुखर्जी भी नींद मारा. हमरा बीवी बोला मोदी जी को डायरेक्ट गाली मौत देव, जेल में जाने से हमरा क्या होगा. हम बोला हमरा फादर मोर के जस्टिस तो नहीं मिला, एटलीस्ट हम जी न्यूज में तो निकलेगा. I am disappointed that I sang this song and अभी तक कुछ controversy में नहीं फंसा हूँ. I mean, racism है रे. Just because I am चिंकी, मोदी को गाली देने से भी कुछ नहीं होता है मुझे. नेशनल मीडिया भी नहीं आया.
I tend to drink a lot when I perform. That's why I'm whiskey now. फीका दारू है. और हफ्लों में लैंडस्लाइड से आदमी मरा. हफ्लों में लैंडस्लाइड से आदमी मरा. नेशनल मीडिया लेकिन नहीं आया. सुना आज तावांग में दो आदमी को मारा. Okay, also I'd like to advertise myself. What I'm wearing is traditional Dimasa attire. All hand weave. It takes months to make this, but of course this I have modified. It's not like this usually, it's like free flowing, but because I made it a half time. So actually my mother has made it for me, and my wife, she designs clothes and this is designed by her. We run ethnic clothing label called Ruhi, ROOHI. Okay, so it's a dancing number, but so you can stand, you can dance also. Because it will be very odd if, no, it won't be odd. I want to dance, I will dance. This song is called Akhuri. You know Akhuri? That's it, yeah, fermented beans. Yeah, Akhuri, Naga people like it a lot. It smells like shit. This song is called Akhuri. I eat with my hands and wash with it too. I eat akhuni, it smells like pussy. I'm on super oxide, this meal taste. My insurance is up in smoke. Technology is just a face. Love is the only hope. Love is the only hope. Thumb shot. Low job. Team Ebony. Sunny a confession. I made a promise today that I won't watch porn. I'll be reborn. I'll be reborn. I'll be reborn. Yes. I made a promise today that I won't watch porn. I'll be reborn. I'll be reborn. 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 Gandhi, Gandhi baat. क्योंकि sex है गंदी गंदी बात. Sex है गंदी गंदी बात. Fuck where I come from, my kingdom is long gone and I just want to move on, move on, move on. Fuck where I come from, my kingdom is long gone and I just want to move on, move on, move on. Chinky and the bug, yo yo, turn the music down. Darna auntie please बुला ले कि तो Chinky and the bug, yo yo, turn the music down. Darna auntie please बुला ले कि तो party किसकी चलेगी. I made a promise today, and I think you should also. I won't watch porn. I'll be reborn. I'll be. I made a promise today that I won't watch porn. I'll be reborn. I'll be reborn. 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 You get it? Sex है गंदी गंदी बात. 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 गाओ. Sex है गंदी गंदी बात. गाओ मेरे लाल गाओ. Sex. Sex है गंदी बात ये नहीं पता. I mean like, that's not my opinion. ये थोड़ा intense वाला गाना है. It's not fun like sex है गंदी बात. But करना पड़ता है अपना स्टेट के लिए, अपना जगह के लिए. So this song is called No State No Rest. I must confess that I don't know how to rap, but I have a lot to say. Need to get it out the strap and so imitate. Share hashtag viral in anti-social media. Dirty and suicidal, I'm still fighting with my India. This has got to stop and our nation wants to change. But too many people jumping off to two people dance. Civil war still waging, action is not coming. Genocide, भागे जाए, looking for a legion, no state. No rest. No state. No rest. I am a cheeky Harry mainstream Bollywood on my radio. So when they can roll kills us, you on my video. My intention is pure, I speak less and listen more. But I'm proud to be an Indian. Coming up, okay, I'm a late bloomer, fighting that with Tyler in Blanket. और क्या बहाना, mother चोर जमाना, it's a democracy. और मैं हुए काम आदमी. No state, no rest. 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 No rest. And they call me a terrorist. They put some guns on me. I'm an artist. And put your guy. I'm an artist. And they call me a terrorist. They put some guns on me. I'm an artist. I'm putting action into words, me Lord. No state, no rest. I'm just a rebel with the cause. No state, no rest. No state, no rest. No state, no rest. No state, no rest. No ILP, no everyone. Daniel Langasa, Mr. India. You have been a great audience. I mean, it has been amazing. Thank you.
Help us recover our costs so that we can continue to do such things and all of you can continue to turn up for this and contribute. Please feel free to drop a mail or a message on our email, Facebook, whatever.
Hi.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Shreya.
Excellent.
Thank you. अरे जाएगा नहीं क्या? हाँ ठीक है हम आता है चल Satyajit, nice to meet you.
Crazy shit.
Yeah. Thank
भाई,
you so much.
तू गाना गा रहा अच्छे से प्यारे फिर pussy! Dude, come on, are you on YouTube?
I am on YouTube.
Oh, come on. You would be okay on the stage, but then you looked very professional on the stage, man. That was brilliant. You've
Thank
been
you.
rapping as well, right?
No, I try rapping. I'm not a rapper at all.
But man, you did like a crazy job. I mean, देखने में
Crazy job.
What do you want to have? Whiskey? rum?
I'll have a beer because I'm feeling so hot. Beer, okay. ठीक हूँ.
आप किससे शूट करते हो वो भी बोल दो थोड़ा.
इससे शूट करता हूँ.
ये हाँ ऐसा कुछ है. ये क्या? ये बाहर वाला है. और जो
This is
अपने
all
में
the time.
रखते हो वो कौन सा है?
It depends. This also, but this is so big, no?
Bicycle that shoot that you did in the.
Oh, with this.
चलो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है पहली बार मिलके.
Thank you so much, man. अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
So I'll be here for 1 week at least.
अच्छा, let's meet more.
Yeah, where do you stay?
I stay in Chittaranjan Park. You? Where are you?
Vasant Kunj.
हाँ, we can meet. Sure.
Near?
Yeah.
पास है?
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Hey, Aditi.
Hi Aditi.
And that's
So nice to meet you.
Alita.
Daniel.
That's Abhimanyu's wife.
Okay, nice to meet you. My wife,
I thought so, yeah.
Avantika.
Hi.
Daniel.
Shankar.
Shankar, nice to meet you.
Guwahati.
Shankar. From Guwahati? Okay.
Living outside Assam for many years.
Okay. I lived in Guwahati for 11 years.
Okay.
Daniel.
Shaheen.
Shaheen from Guwahati. Yeah. So I just told him I lived in Guwahati for 11 years. Yeah.
My mother, in fact, comes from Haflong.
What?
Like she grew up in Haflong when
Okay.
she was a child.
Okay.
So the only Hindi she picked up was Haflongi
Haflong
Hindi.
Hindi.
So till now she can only speak Haflongi Hindi.
Really?
Yeah, and the thing is she did not know this.
Okay.
Okay. So I used to tell her your Hindi is not exact like what we hear in the TV.
Yeah.
So she's like, no, but this is the Hindi I know. So now I realize, I mean, after many years I realized, oh, this is Haflongi Hindi.
Good night. Good night, Theo.